to see deep throat. I need a baby who get nasty but classy in front of all these people. She got that big ego. I need to be able to lick on that pussy ball like an eagle. She gotta eat Creole. Got a smile but she mean though. I need a bad little freak. I need a bad little freak.
Boy, OGTV, white pretty nigga. As you can see, we in Polo Tropical. Pollo Tropical.
Polo.
You feel me? Got my dog KC with me. And today we doing a smash or pass. Instagram followers, you might be in it. So stay tuned. Alright, so who we doing first? Oh, we doing my followers first?
You thought I was playing?
No. Alright. Let's see who's up first on the list, eh? Bougie T. You see two now. You see two now.
You go
So,
first. You go first. I want to see where your mind said that. You go first.
ain't gonna lie, you is kind of bad. I ain't gonna lie.
Kinda.
Now you don't even want me to. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna have to smash on this one. Smash on this.
All right.
So what's up?
Yay.
Smash or pass?
I'm smashing. Times 2. 2 rounds. Fuck it, 3. For good luck. What'd you think her?
Yeah, I did her. I did you. I don't know if you loyal and shit, but I hope you loyal. You know, that's what it's all about.
Let's see.
A few moments later.
I would. Like you cute.
Eventually.
Yeah. There's a little twist to it. I mean, you cute. I guess you pass, yeah. But personality is everything, so.
Next we got that girl China Love. You know, that's my dog. So you know China, right?
Yeah, I know China.
You only got it.
Yeah. That way.
You go first on this one.
Let me go. I see you flexible. I fuck with it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you a dancer.
Yeah. I smash. Yeah. Ain't like a little freak. Don't take that the wrong way. But yeah.
Yeah, I smashed too.
Smash.
But would I date you? I would. I like your vibe. You cool. You feel me? You very chill, and I fuck with that. So, yeah.
I don't think I would date you. Not that you ugly or nothing. I smash though.
We got Finest Dot Princess. I don't know if you still got the pink hair right now, but I ain't really fucking with the pink hair. I ain't gonna flex.
Nah, but some females could put. No.
I ain't really. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not saying you ugly though. You feel me?
No, you're not ugly.
You're not ugly, but I just ain't fucking with the pink hair. So just for that, I'm gonna have to pass. You feel me?
So you want to smash her?
Nah, I wouldn't smash her. I'm gonna have to pass on this one. What I did? You be out.
Nah, you cute though.
You cute.
Yeah, you cute.
You be out too much.
Yeah,
Yeah,
once in a while it's straight for me.
Yeah. So smash or pass?
Yeah, I think I smash. Yeah, I smash. Wife you. Like I said, you look like you go out a lot. I mean, I don't know. Can I plead the fifth? I'll give it a try. Yeah, I'll give it a try.
The brown dot doll. She looking kind of thick there. Hold up.
She got that good weight on her.
Yay. That is happy.
It's that happy weight, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. Recently, I've been into the thick things. You feel me? So,
Recently,
I've
been into the thick things ever since
I think I'm
came
gonna
out the
have to
womb.
smash on that. Would I date you? I don't think so. Let me see. Oh, you went to Ely? That's dead.
That's dead.
Yeah, I can't date you if you went to Ely. That's dead.
I smash. I wouldn't wife though. I think I'd give it a try. Nah, I smash.
But is you gonna smash
Nah,
or
I
pass?
smash.
So what, you smashing?
Yeah, I smash.
You wiping it?
I try it. I give you like a week. Yeah, I give it a week.
Damn, bitch, who we got next?
Where the fuck? Where the water come from?
Bro, what water, bro?
You stupid.
That bad, boy. Now we about to move over to KC followers. What that bitch say? Badly Iana.
Yeah, I guess so.
Badly Iana.
Badly,
yeah.
Badly Anya? Anya?
Yo, if y'all watch this, make sure write their name in the comments so we can know, cause yeah, Jamaican. I don't know. This is kinda,
I can tell you a freak. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
I already see it. You straight? I mean, you feel me? I see what you working with. You know what I'm saying?
I think I'm gonna have to pass on you. You're not ugly or nothing, but on the Jamaican girl, something wrong with her, that tip, that's it. So that's our next thing why I wouldn't date you either. So would you date her?
Nah, not my type for dating. It look like you lost weight. Or that smoking.
Oh, you know her?
Yeah, in Tampa.
She kind of looking like a slim thick over here. That was her, Wolf? Damn, you got 3 piercings on your tongue? I know you. Yo, why every... Alright, yeah, you a freak. So I'm gonna have to smash on that. Shit. I'm gonna have to pass on that. J.SLX.
I know how she looks.
Oh, so you know her.
Come on, man.
So you know her.
Come on, man. Come on.
Alright. She red. You red and you slim. I think I'm gonna have to smash on that. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if it's the... Nah, I was gonna say I don't know if it's the bathroom table, but this nigga just spit on. Nah, bro. I ain't gonna flex, bro. You gotta get it fit to you. Oh, this nigga just spit all over the place, bro. Bro, what the fuck, bro? But now I gotta wipe my phone off this shit. Fuck this shit, bro, so we can finish this shit, bro. Bro. Loose mouth out with fire ass up. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna have to smash on that. Would I date you? I don't know. My dog know you, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to pass with the dating.
Janice, you know. I smash. Know what I'm saying? Wife? Yeah, you wifeable. Yeah, you wifeable. It's killer. ITS.
Yeah.
Dot.
It's
I ain't
killer.
gonna lie. Yeah, you can get that.
I ain't gonna lie, you got a pretty face. You like a bad girl. You like a...
She a folding nigga.
Like what? Like you put her hands on the bitch.
I like that. Nah, yeah, I smash and wife. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, we gonna have to.
Yeah.
You feel me? We gonna have to pay for that one.
Yeah.
Ain't gonna flex. Miss Chin. Me and I are supposed to do our video today. My day out with
Miss Chin.
And in today's video, we're gonna do a little truth or dare. Would I date you? Me no know enough on Instagram look like you have a heap of man and be things and be things that go on and you see it too much. You see it, so yeah.
You're not ugly, but I wouldn't smash or a wife. I'm not gonna answer that. I can't answer that, and I won't answer that. So I'm gonna just sit here and you know.
AKA Glizzy. You know, I'ma have to You feel me? Would I date you? I had to say that for yeah. Yeah, man. That was the last one for this video. Smash your pass.
And please don't feel offended if
because you feel me?
Because everyone's beautiful.
Exactly. In your own way.
Shit.
I'm ugly as fuck.
Yes, you are.
Ain't gonna lie, we still owe me 15. You still owe me 15.
Right,
Cause you done spit on me. Alright, what's up? They gonna see this too. No. Don't steal my shit now.
So how we gonna do this?
We're gonna pay. What you mean?